Hello, so for this video I'm gonna teach you how to log in to Roblox and how to use the quick login. Okay, so as you can see here on my screen right now, this is where you sign up if you don't have account on Roblox. Okay, so you just need to fill up like your birthday, username, password, gender, it is optional, and then you just click sign up. Okay, but if you have a account already, just click login and then type your username, then password, then after that click login. Okay, so as you can see, my account is already signed in Roblox. So you can also sign in your account on your mobile devices. Okay, and then as you can see here on the upper right corner of your screen, there is a setting logo, and you can see there's a option where it says quick login, right? So later on I will show you how to do that. So let's see. So I'm just gonna open another browser, and that another browser will represent another device. Okay, so here, as you can see, there's a new browser, and click login, and then here on the bottom part you can see a option where it says another login device, but on the other devices it may say that quick login. So just click this, and then you have two options. Okay, you have this QR code. You can scan this if you are using phone, and then you have option number 2, which is they will give you a code. So I'll be using this code. Gonna copy this, and then I'll go back here on the previous browser. Then I'm going to click the setting logo, and then choose quick login, and then paste here the code that you copied earlier, and then click enter. Then it will give you a warning that this device will receive access to your account, Robux, and inventory. So if you want to confirm login, just click this and then click done. Okay, then let's go back to the other browser, and as you can see, it is already logged in. So that's it. You're good to go, and I hope you understand this and you learned something. So if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.